Yeah, there's a nail right there. Look at it. I cut it in half. I'm gonna aim about for that grill of that Ford pickup.
No, you're gonna aim for it, but I'm not planning on hitting it.
Oh no, I'm gonna face the hinge right through that little gully right there.
Yeah, that'd be good.
I know there's nails in this thing even though I can't see them. God damn it. You believe there's something in the center of that thing? It just broke my teeth off. I mean, the teeth are gone. Look.
The new chain?
They're gone.
Yeah.
And that was in the, it's in the center, whatever it is.
Well, hopefully it's only forced it.
Because I don't see anything on the side, and I picked the back up to see if it would stop chattering, and only had the tip in there. Whatever it's chattering on, I mean, it's almost off. Let's finish the chain off and see if I can get it off.
Yeah, it's not any good.
Yeah. That sucks. Yeah, there's a nail right there. Look at it.
Oh, it's only a nail?
I cut it in half.
You could have cut just an inch higher.
I cut it in half. I cut it the length is what I'm saying. See, look.
How the fuck was that in there like that?
That's cool. Have you ever planed a nail with a 592 Husqvarna?
Yeah.
Man, people can't do that with a grinder. What do you mean? They're gonna keep that. Look how nice that turned out still, huh? That would have been a beautiful log.
Only costed a $50 chain.
I bet you at TNT that's $100. Come on, man. Yeah, I know, right? I don't want to put a new one on there and ruin it.
It's only one nail per tree. I mean, who would put two nails in a tree? Just put a new one on it. Hopefully there's nothing else in it and you only have to come within a couple inches there.
That's impressive. Please don't hit a nail. Got a brand new chain. Like, come on, you big bitch. Ready, set, go. Oh, we got this. It's coming.
Yeah.
We got that all day long.